Groups means collection of atoms. And functional means important role. Group of atoms that give a family of organic compounds its characteristic physical and chemical properties. Remember that when a hydrogen atom is removed from an alkane, we get alkyl radical. When in place of hydrogen, OH, COOH, and CHO groups are attached to alkyl radical. The presence of these groups alter the properties of alkyl radical. Hence, these groups are functional groups. Let's see a list of functional groups. We will start with the 4 A's: alkane, alkene, alkyne, and alcohol. In alkanes, there is no functional group. All carbon-carbon single bonds are present. Alkanes are generally represented as RH. Alkene contains the carbon-carbon double bond. They are generally represented by carbon-carbon double bond with the 4R or alkyl groups attached, 2 with each carbon. Alkynes contain triple bond. They are represented by carbon-carbon triple bond with the 2R groups attached. Alcohols contain the functional group OH. They have the general formula ROH. Next, we have 4 classes, all containing C-double bond O group known as carbonyl group. These 4 classes are aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, and ester. Aldehydes contain a hydrogen attached with carbonyl as functional group. Aldehydes have the general formula RC-double bond OH. Ketones have alkyl groups attached on both sides of carbonyl group, or C-double bond O group. They have the general formula RC-double bond OR. Functional group of carboxylic acid is OH attached with the carbonyl group. This group C-double bond OOH is known as carboxyl group. The general formula of carboxylic acids is RC-double bond OOH. Next are esters. Their functional group is C-double bond OOR, and their general representation is RC-double bond OOR. Next 2 classes are ethers and amines. In ethers, the functional group is COC. In middle, there is oxygen atom, and on both sides of it, alkyl chains are attached. Generally, ethers are represented as ROR. Next, amines have the functional group NH2, and their general formula is RNH2.